We've done a lot of specific work over the last year and a half in a study where we worked with many of the leading flux and paste manufacturers who came to us as we were talking with them that they get asked what chemistry on the bench will clean their flux or paste or whatever that's on their board. So we ran a study with their assistance and independently verified specific MicroCare chemistries that will work with each specific flux or paste, not only on the bench, but we took a step further for the automated vapor degreasing chemistries we offer the marketplace. So now, working with us, regardless of what you're using, grade specific, we have some choices for you that'll make it easier for our customers to validate their process.